Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here that is inspired by Nicole Tate. I will link her Instagram down below so you guys can go check out the original photo. If you want to see how I created it, then please stick around. So I am on my floor in our new place because my new desk has not come yet. So we are on the floor, which is fine because it kind of brings us back to like the OG YouTube makeup vids when everyone was literally just sitting on their floor in their bedroom just doing their makeup. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but I feel like playing with some colors, so let's play with some colors. I think today I want to play with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because she got some pretty colors in there. I'm just going to be taking the original primer from Addictalash and I'm just going to put that all over my face. This setup is like not a vibe. I've got my mini mirror in front of me and then I'm resting my camera on top of my Hollywood mirror, so that's fun. But at least I've got natural lighting in this room, which we know from all my videos I have lacked for like the year and a half I've been doing videos. And take my earrings out because I'm sick of getting them covered in foundation. Now we're gonna go in with the brow stuff. Might move in a little bit. Hey, how's it going? For brows, I'm just gonna be taking the Anastasia brow pomade in soft brown. I'm just gonna take it on a Morphe M158. Don't hate on me. I thought being in natural light would kind of help my situation, but I'm wrong. It's making it worse. Don't worry, guys. I'll sort this out, it's fine. Okay, so I am going to be taking the P. Louise base to cut out my brows and to put a base down. Hello. Hello. Where is it? Found it. I found it. Then I'm just going to take a big buffer sort of brush and brush it all over my legs. Alright, I don't know really what I want to do for an eyeshadow look today, so I'm going to go on Instagram and look at my saves and see if I've got anything in there. Wow, that's cool. Anything in my saves that I can kind of base around. So maybe like pinky, purpley, something like that, but without the little, I mean we could put some rhinestones on. That is Nicole Tate. I love lots of her stuff. So I'm thinking maybe we could do something like that. Let's do something like that. Now I've kind of got an idea. Wow, this is just... Okay, so we are gonna zoom in on my face because you guys obviously want to be up close with me because I'm gorgeous. I'm going to take an Anastasia Beverly Hills 12 brush. It's got a flat end. I'm pretty sure it is not for eyelids, but that is fine. I'm gonna dip into Not My Journey and just create a little kind of an arrow. And then I'm just gonna take this Morphe M431 brush and I'm just gonna kind of get a bit of that purple and just blend. I'm going to take a M506 brush and I'm gonna dip into Lolly Mama, which is, I don't want to drop it, this one here. And then going back in with Not My Journey to just kind of deepen it up a little bit with the purple. And then I think in here, I'm gonna go in with Positivity. Sorry, Positivity. I'm gonna go in with that. And then going back in with Lolly Mama to blend those together. I'm just going to take the P. Louise base to cut the crease again. And I'm just going to take a flat end morph brush. This is a M124. And then we're just going to take Not My Journey and we're going to kind of go like that. This brush here, this is a Zoeva 231 brush. And I'm just going to dip into Lolly Mama again. And now we're going to go in for the fun part. We're going to go in with the orange. I'm going to go in with the colour. Do I want to feel them? No, I want my man. My man. And I'm going to blend that with positivity. Ooh, colourful. So we are going to put these little Diamantes on my eyes as well. It's so hard filming without a desk and I've already been filming for 22 minutes. Like what? Let's attempt to put this on. One Diamante. Nope, not the second one. Second one didn't want to go on. We're gonna leave it there. All right, I'm gonna jump off camera because this took like half an hour to do one eye. I'm gonna put some lashes on and I will come back. Okay, so I have put my lashes on and finish off the other eye. I used the Eyelure lashes, which they sent out to me, which is so exciting considering I have used their lashes since I was like a preteen. They were the only lashes I could ever put on and I love them. They are gorgeous. So I want to thank them for sending these out to me because I am in love with them. These are number 119 and they are 3-dimensional. So they are beautiful. For foundation today, I'm going to mix it with some liquid highlighter because I saw it on TikTok and I'm a sucker for a TikTok trend. So I'm going to put some liquid highlighter on my mixing board. And then I'm going to be taking my Bounce foundation and I'm just going to mix them together. So we're gonna go squirty, squirty, squirty. I think that's a shitload, wow. And then I'm just gonna take the back of any brush and I am just going to mix those together. I'm gonna take it on the back of a flat end brush and just buff it into my skin. I can sort of see the glow, but like, I wouldn't call it a dramatic difference. Don't worry guys, my videos will be a lot more consistent and more like the same vibe soon, like meaning background wise, because at the moment I'm all over the joint. I need my new vanity to come and like obviously before that I was living at Jake's, so. Now I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend. That's done. Didn't really do too much, but that's fine. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon as I always do. Excuse my dog barking. Just like that. So that's all buffed into the skin. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer, wherever it is, the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to carve out those lines, make them a bit more, you know, zhuzh. Especially my nose. We want that to look really like, I just wish my nose wasn't so uneven. It actually really bothers me. And then I'm just going to take a buffer brush and just buff it into the skin, because I don't want it transferring too far with the blender. Louie! And I'm gonna beauty blend that in while I go tell my dog to shut up. And then I'm just taking my Cover FX loose powder. And I'm just gonna set my face. Then I'm going to be taking the MAC Give Me Sun and just re-bronzing the areas that I have. because we've taken him away like from being with other dogs, because ever since he was a puppy he either had my parents or like my family dog, or he's had Jake's brother's dog and his mum's dog, and now he has no one because we've moved out. So he's just being a bit of a sook lately. Okay, for blush I'm going to be taking the Tarte Partey. I'm just going to be taking it on a morph brush. For setting spray to set this all in place before I do my highlighter on my lips, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Shimmer Spray and just setting it. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab, which is in Cloud 9. This is like my fave at the moment. And then for lips, Morph was having a sale the other day, obviously because of end of financial year. So I got this. This is Out and About Blushing Nude Lip Trio something French. So you get a lip liner, a lipstick, and a gloss. So we're going with the lip liner. This video is taking so long to film. I've got this devil just annoying me the full time. Are you done? So I'm just going in with the lipstick. And then I'm just going to be taking the gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm going to go do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, that completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a lovely comment and some options of what you would like to see in future, as well as hitting that big red subscribe button so you can join my little army. I will see you guys in my next video.